Assalamu-Alikum. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मॉडर्न थ्योरी ऑफ ट्रेड साइकिल. So what is the modern theory of trade cycle? According to the modern economist point of view, it is the interaction of multiplier and accelerator which cause movement in the national income. According to multiplier, when investment increases, it increases the income more than the investment according to the size of multiplier. For example, if MPC marginal propensity to consume is 3 by 4, an investment of 1 lakh will increase national income by 4 lakh. If this is another example, if MPC, or we can say the marginal propensity to consume, is 7 by 8, an investment of 1 lakh will cause income to rupees 8 lakh. If investment fall by rupees 1 lakh and the MPC, or we can say marginal propensity to consume, is 2 by 3, the national income will fall by 3 lakh. Multiplier is also reciprocal of the marginal propensity to save, or we can say MPC. So, if MPC is 1 by 3, net investment spending of rupees 5 lakh will cause income to increase to 15 lakh. We conclude that change in income is equals to 1 by 1 minus MPC into change in investment. This is the formula that how to find the change. So the increase in income further leads to greater investment through the accelerator effect. The cost of capital depends upon the level of income. If the income level is higher, the capital assets will also be higher. So when the demand for consumer goods increases, it will affect the demand for capital assets as well. So we find that investment first affects the income, then income affects capital assets, which increases net investment. So the income rises in a greater proportion depending upon the size of the multiplier. यानी कि जितना ज़्यादा multiplier का size होगा उतना ही उसमें के ऊपर effect आएगा. So the expansion phase of the trade cycle starts when the investment increases. The recession phase starts when the investment fall, which ultimately reduce income, output, and employment in a country.